More and more organisations are embracing remote and hybrid working. There are many advantages to these forms of working, but facilitating virtual workshops can be tricky. Without sufficient planning, there's the danger that the workshop attendees will tune out, multitask, or find ways of avoiding the meeting entirely. This practical one-day course examines how to make a virtual workshop a success. It covers a range of techniques built around a workshop planning canvas that can be used as a thinking tool. The topics covered include the difference between fully virtual and hybrid meetings and why that matters, planning and preparing for a virtual workshop, the importance of stakeholder analysis, contingency planning and thinking about the virtual environment, practical facilitation approaches for a virtual meeting, managing conflict in a virtual environment, key actions to undertake after the workshop ends, and so much more besides. This is a practical, hands-on, immersive course. You'll have the opportunity to work with other attendees on exercises using a virtual whiteboard, and there will be the opportunity for practical discussions throughout. So please do take a look at the course description, and if you have any questions or would like to book this course for you or your organisation, please do not hesitate to get in touch.